Right, we've totally lucked out today because I was sitting at my desk this morning and an email came in from someone we work with saying, do we want 2 free tickets to the Arsenal game tonight? Hell yes, we do. So we picked Louis up from school and we were like, we're not going home, so don't worry about your homework. We're getting on a train and we're going up to Arsenal. And he was like, yay! We're going into Lyon now and to have some food. And then we're going to get to the stadium. Yeah, he's really hungry. To be fair, he did come straight from school.
Yeah.
And we love the, what kind of fries are they?
They're just called Lyon fries, but they're like
crisscrossy fries, aren't they? Crinkly,
yeah.
crisscrossy.
So nice.
Really good. So we're going to do that and then we're going to get to the stadium. Nice. There we go, just arrived at the stadium. Excited?
Yeah.
Look, we're walking over to it now. It is an impressive stadium. To be fair, even to all the Tottenham fans, it's an impressive stadium.
What do you think of Tottenham? Shit! What do you think of shit? Tottenham! Thank you! That's alright!
Well, Louis happy because Drake's on. Next one, number 16. Arsenal and Drake. He's on to a winner. So we are halfway through the first half. Nothing's happened. But it's still good. Just the atmosphere is good, just to be here is good, see the players is good. We're just waiting for a goal. Louis' prediction for the game is
3-0.
3-0. At this rate, it's not going to happen. What do you think so far?
Yeah, good. Bit boring.
Bit boring. We need a goal, really. We need a goal. Come on, Arsenal. We need a goal. But we didn't forget minstrels, which are good to keep us going, especially at half time. Want one? A 0-0 draw. Not the greatest of games, but it's still good. We still had a nice time. It's nice to be out together, and yeah, nice to be at Arsenal, nice to see the players. Saw Giroud play, Wilshere, Walcott, saw Arsene Wenger. Yeah, it's good. Good time. Now we're just going to get the train back and I'm going to resist the temptation of a McDonald's on the way home. That's going to be hard.
Whole pack of minstrels.
No, I had a handful of minstrels after
No,
you devoured the entire pack.
No, I gave you more than half and you finished
your nose is growing.
You ate a whole fries there and a whole...
Alright, Pinocchio.
And a whole chicken burger.
Yeah, alright, Pinocchio. 11 o'clock on a school night. Tired?
No.
Maybe just a little bit. A little bit tired? Never tired, I'm shattered. I'm going to be asleep in a minute. Home? Bed? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to It's the Fergusons. Now it's coming up to bonfire night. God, what a beautiful day. It's coming up to bonfire night, the 5th of November. Now, for the last 2 or 3 years, I have done like a little, well, I guess it's now a tradition, of like a makeshift amateur firework display in our garden. It's always a little bit of a health and safety risk. Last year, one of the firework went up, and then once it exploded, the stick and the tube fell down, landed on our conservatory, which is where everybody was standing. So it is very, very sketchy, but it's good fun, really good fun. I'm heading out now to go and buy my fireworks. Woo! It's so exciting. I love things that explode and fire. Jen's outside, so I just gotta go. But it's one of those things that you just, well, I just love. Like, it's such like a me thing. Fireworks, explosions. Don't shout too loud. We're getting the fireworks, aren't we? What colour fireworks are we gonna get? What colour? Red ones. That's your poppy. Don't take it out. No, don't touch. Let me put it back in. Shall I put it back in? Don't move. There. Daddy's got the pin.
Where's it?
There. It's very sharp. No, not in your mouth. Not in your mouth.
Hold it.
It's too sharp.
Grandma did.
Grandma does. Yeah, but Grandma's very clever. Why did Grandma put a pin in her mouth?
What is that?
She was sucking it. Oh, she shouldn't. That's dangerous.
I'll suck it. And I'll put it in.
Yeah, but Grandma mustn't do that.
Grandma too.
Okay. Well, what fireworks are we gonna get? What colour?
Green.
Green. And loud ones or quiet ones?
Loud one.
How loud are they gonna be?
That loud.
They're gonna be that loud. I think everyone in the shop heard that.
One one's like this.
Do you?
One.
What, the high rockets? You want the high rockets?
1, 2 ones like this.
Oh, they might be a bit loud for you. Okay, we'll get the big ones. Now the problem is that there's just too many to choose from. Ted wants the rockets, so we'll get rockets, won't we? Definitely get rockets.
Which one?
Yeah, we'll definitely get those ones.
We'll definitely get which
Definitely. Look, point to them on this piece of paper. There they are. Ready? Which ones? Those ones. Definitely. Are you sure? Okay. We'll definitely get those ones. This is the trouble now, that we've just got to choose, and it's like a kid in the candy store a little bit here. And also, how much do you spend? Like, that's the thing. Like, I could spend a lot of money on fireworks. Oh, yeah, not yet. We're not doing that yet, darling. We'll do that in a moment. He's so keen. Don't know where he gets it from. And then we'll have one of these sizzling missile cakes as well.
Alright, okay.
So the Nightfall selection box and the After Dark cake. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very excited. Look. Yes.
Put that one on top of that one.
Yeah, are you excited? Look at this.
Anything else?
Yes, it does.
No more.
Yeah, just the sizzling missile cake. This is gonna be. I don't think Jen was expecting quite this size of a display. Right, let's go and find Mummy and tell her the good news that we bought a huge amount of fireworks that are probably far too big for our tiny garden. But, you know, I mean, obviously we're safe. Obviously we're safe. But you know what she's like, she just panics at everything. So she'll probably panic at this.
Wait!
Yeah, we did buy quite a few.
I'm sure.
Quite big ones.
I'm sure, darling.
Are you looking forward to it?
If you stay safe, yes.
Always safe. No, Ted, we're not getting a multi-pack of Actimel. I'm really excited because we're getting a new printer, which sounds a bit strange, but we've needed a new one for such a long time now, just for photos and all that kind of stuff, because we take a lot of photos, obviously, and Jen is on my case. She's like, get another printer, I want to print this out, I want to put them on the wall, all this kind of stuff. But today we're getting one. They've been trying to deliver it a few times, so I've had to now come and pick it up from the shop. Oh, it's heavy one. Oh. Thank you. Squeeze through there. Oh, got it, perfect. Yeah, thank you. Thanks very much, mate. here it is. It's an HP Envy photo printer, and I am excited to get it out. The printer, that is. You knew that though, right?
No, absolutely pitch black.
It's absolutely pitch black.
It
said on there.
No, that's a special line to show you where to go. Just arrived. This is quite good because it's Louis' new school, so we've never actually met any of these people before. We've decided to bring our own fish and chips as well. Well, just chips actually. They're nice, Teddy. Loves the chippy tea. What have you got? Wow. Is that a pointer? Show me, wave them. He never does anything on demand nowadays. He's too much of a diva. Teddy, can you wave them for the camera? Whoa, yeah.
Woohoo, Ted!
like that, Ted?
So, did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
What was it like?
No.
Was it a little bit fun?
No, I didn't.
It is so late. Well, it's not actually that late. It's 8:30, but it has been a long day. And I had their meeting, then got back, literally went then out to the fireworks and been there ever since. They were really good, by the way, really good. But that does mean that I haven't got to open my printer. And I'm just too knackered to even tackle it right now. But I'll show you what it is, look. So, it's HP. It is phone to stunning photos. So it's an app on your phone and you can print to the Envy photo printer, which is that. But with this, you can get an instant ink 4-month trial, which is basically where they send ink to your front door, which is pretty cool. So as soon as it's out the box and set up, I'm going to activate my subscription. They're going to send the ink and I'm going to start printing some of the beautiful photos that we've got of Teddy, because we do have a lot. It is time for bed. Shattered. Jen's already in bed. She's probably already asleep actually, because she was knackered today. Actually, I felt a bit bad because her urticaria came up again today, which is really awful because it's been, touch wood, not too bad over the last couple of weeks. So, and then today it was bad again. So we thought that maybe it was getting better, but maybe not. So she's not. Well, she's a bit sad, which I understand. I'm a bit sad for her. We'll see. Anyway, she's sleeping, she's resting, and then bring on tomorrow.